What's up, bro? Where where you from?
You're, I am from Israel.
Okay, I'm from Bangladesh.
Thank you.
What's wrong with Bangladesh? How are you,
Okay,
everybody?
we are very, very good.
Sounds great. So, where you from?
Israel. Israel.
Okay, I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know my country?
Yes, like India.
N- India is our neighbor country, but my country is just next to India.
Oh,
I
Indian.
Indian.
You have good food. You have like the tasty food.
We have a lots of tasty food, good food, seafood, everything you would find here.
So we love you.
Oh,
Wait,
really?
your country love
She's
Israel?
she's Indian.
Okay, did you born in Israel or in India,
Oh,
sir?
I live in Israel. My
She
father
was
born
is
in Israel, but her grandparents were born in
come
India.
to Israel.
Come to Israel from India. Yeah.
Oh, okay. How is life in Israel?
Good.
Very,
It's
very, very good.
It's
Very hard.
hard.
No, it's hard,
Good.
but very good because you.
We have a very hater.
Yeah, we have we have like flowers from the
Oh,
window in class. We have
But we
nature.
don't have a window.
We have a window
okay. Okay, but why try to invade in Israel? For what?
because they don't like us.
Because we Jewish.
They want to be like Hitler. They want to do like the Shoah.
Them hate we because we Jewish.
You know what is this Shoah? What is Shoah? You
No.
know today is day Shoah. לא, היום יום הזיכרון, מחר יום הזיכרון. Okay. קיצר, once upon a time,
Hmm.
Hitler tried to kill all of Jews. You know
Hmm.
that, right?
What?
I know.
Just
I
because
know
we
the
Jewish.
history of
Just because,
Hitler.
yes, yes. So, is trying to do the same thing and take our country from us. And all the people in live Israel. Yes.
So look, as far as I know through the media, the Israel country was recognized by UN 1948, right?
Yes.
Okay. In 1948, that was a big conspiracy. Whatever I know, just hold on and listen to me. So UN just gave 55% land to the Israeli, and on that night,
The war and the Lebanon war won.
listen, the organization was created in 1987 because they want
Yeah.
to get back their
Okay.
land. And now understand this, why try to really keep continuously fighting for their land, fighting for Palestinian, whatever. I know this.
For
So
one generation. When my mom was my age, we have the Lebanon. Now we have this war. Yeah. So Hamas has a lot of how do you call it, countries of their own. They have a lot of Muslim countries. I don't know why they want this specific one because we have only one of them. Wait,
Because
I
we have
can
Jerusalem.
ask.
Ask him.
I can ask you something.
sure, go ahead.
You love Hamas. You know what Hamas did.
I know
وרגע שלנו.
everything through the BBC, CNN,
But
Al
you love
Jazeera.
no. Do you love Israel or that's what she's asking.
I want the Palestine should be free.
Palestine.
Yep.
Not people in Israel. too.
You
No,
don't think that. Wait, kids, okay? Kids. Five. איך אומרים 5 חודשים? כאילו. 5 months.
Month.
5 months. The kids were in
We are
Gaza.
in the Hamarot.
can I ask some questions?
Let's go.
Okay. Yesterday, I have spoken with multiple Turkish people, but I have
Yeah.
got a overview like who is the good person between Erdogan and Ataturk. So, what about your opinion?
Bro, look, I don't like Erdogan and I don't like Atatürk because I'm not Turkish.
Oh,
I'm
so you
Kurdish.
Kurdish. You're Kurdish.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, okay. Yesterday, well,
Because
I also got a Kurdish man who spoke with me very politely why we don't like Erdogan and Ataturk because everyone just come around to us and really take our sympathy for getting power.
Bro, you know what? Turkish people don't like Kurdish people because we have a, you know, what that my English is not so good.
No, it's okay.
It's
Try your best and
bro, people.
okay, forget this question. So, can you tell me how many? Oh my, Trudy, come, my bird. What? Stay cool, stay cool,
Huh?
my bird. So, so how about the economy of Turkey now under the Erdogan power?
About economy,
Yes.
it's bad, bro. Economy is fucking bad. 1 euro is $1. It's 50, what, 40 lira in Turkey is now bad
Yeah.
because before 6 year ago of
Hmm.
3 years ago, bro, 3 years ago, 5 lira was fucking good for me. 5 lira, but
Oh,
now you can't buy with 5 lira
anything.
nothing. You can't buy.
Okay. So the economy rate is a downfall. That's really
Yeah.
so weird thinking for your country's future. But do you think Erdogan would be able to rise up your economy?
No,
No. But
no.
he is in power for fourth time in Turkey.
Uh, I don't know, bro. Actually, no. Nobody like Erdogan, like Turkish people,
Nobody likes Erdogan but Turkish people. But how the Erdogan is getting in power in Turkey if he doesn't have any popularity in Turkey?
because like this, bro. Is if you know what's CHP?
CHP?
Yeah, you have AKP. This is party from Erdogan, and
Hmm.
CHP party from another one.
Oh, okay. I got it, got it.
Yeah, it's now if CHP gonna win, then what gonna happen? Turkish people
Hmm.
gonna kill Turkish people. You know, if CHP gonna win.
Got it.
Now, if Erdogan gonna win, then economy gonna more bad.
Hmm. Good.
It's
Okay.
it's now like this. I don't know how can I say that, but it's bad.
Okay.
If you're gonna choose CHP, it's
Hmm.
also bad. If you're gonna choose AKP, it's also bad.
So, what's your own perception? Who is the right person for the Turkish people?
Who is for me? It's Selahattin Demirtas. I don't know. Do you know Selahattin Demirtas? For me, it's a good person. It's Selahattin Demirtas,
Mhm.
but now he's in what that?
Now he
Yeah.
is in the prison, in prison.
Yes, yes, bro, in the prison. Yes.
But as far as we Bangladeshi people know about Erdogan, he's really so pious, very good person, and really he's contributing the Turkish to rise up the economy, not only the economy but also the foreign policy, which is really so high diplomatic system by the Erdogan power. But I have been really speaking with Turkish for a couple of the days. You guys really cannot admit as a good person to the Erdogan. It's really so ridiculous. Now I will really do more research on why he is not really good person in Turkish, though he's getting the elected in Turkey.
Now, if you ask
Okay,
Google
okay,
who is a good person,
yep.
you're gonna see Erdogan. Because
Sure.
why? He's now.
In power.
But if you ask one Turkish people who is the good person
Mhm.
in the Turkey, he gonna say, I don't know. Maybe you're gonna say Erdogan.
This. Anyway, my bro, thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum. Arahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So all the best. May Allah bless you, you and your family.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so
Assalamu
much.
alaikum. Bye.
Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye.